How often do you go to use your digital calipers and the battery's gone flat, and you don't have one of those little circle batteries to replace it? We have the solution. Measumax Rechargeable Digital Caliper, built for maximum convenience, durability and precision. They are powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a magnetic charger and are full in under 3 hours. Available in splash and dust-proof IP54 or IP67 when you need complete coolant protection for bigger machining jobs. They are available in 150, 200 and 300 mm sizes. With 4-way measuring, you can quickly check inside, outside, depth and step dimensions with accuracy and switch between metric, imperial and fraction modes at the touch of a button. They will also turn off when not in use. Each set includes the rechargeable battery, a magnetic charging cable and a hard storage case to keep your calipers protected when not in use. So, if you're sick of your digital set always being flat, grab yourself a Measumax rechargeable caliper. For more information, call your local Tools for Industry rep or jump online at t4i.com.au.